symbol before? You probably know what it is. That's right, it's a comma. But that little bit of punctuation can cause quite the confusion for students learning to write in English, and native speakers too. Hi, I'm Lindsay, and welcome to another resourceful episode of Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. This episode has a writing focus. We're going to talk about fanboys, commas, clauses, and compound sentences. Let's learn the rules. Knowing the basics is really important, so let's start with learning the terms related to the grammar point. What's a clause and a phrase? A clause is a fancy word for a sentence. Remember, sentences must have a subject and a verb. I walk Percy. A phrase is simply a group of words used as a unit in a sentence. I walk Percy in the park. A compound sentence is two simple sentences joined together like this. I like working in the office, but I also like Zoom meetings. Both sentences have a subject and a verb. And what is that small word in between the two simple sentences? You got it. It's a coordinating conjunction. These are small words that are used as connectors. They join words, phrases, and clauses. English has 7 coordinating conjunctions. Remember them by using the acronym FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These are small words, but they are very important because they're used to join words, phrases, and clauses, which means they are common and used a lot. And if you know these words, you'll avoid common mistakes. So, when to comma and when not to comma? That is the question. That's so cheesy. Let's talk about no comma first. Here are the rules. Number 1, no comma is used when the fanboys connect 2 words. The party will have cake and pizza. The conjunction connects 2 nouns, so no comma is needed. Rule 2, no comma is used when the fanboys connect 2 phrases. We can order pizza or make it ourselves. Here, the conjunction connects 2 verb phrases. No comma is needed. Well, when do we use the comma?
I don't know.
Rule 1, use a comma when the fanboys connect items in a series, 3 or more, and use a comma between each item. The party will have cake, pizza, and chips. Notice the placement of the commas. Rule 2, use a comma when combining 2 clauses to form a compound sentence. The meaning will begin at 10 and it will continue after lunch. The comma is placed at the end of the first clause, before the conjunction. An important thing to remember is when connecting 2 clauses, they must be related in order to make sense. Time to check your understanding. Do these sentences need commas? Practice punctuating these examples. Yes, commas in a series. Zoom meetings tend to be boring, awkward, or entertaining. No commas in number 2. The conjunction connects 2 nouns. Let's hope James and Martin don't eat all the pizza. Yes, a comma to connect 2 clauses. Lindsay is an extrovert, yet she doesn't enjoy parties. That's all for this episode. When reading and writing in English, try to notice when the comma is used. Memorize the acronym FANBOYS and try and use them in both speaking and writing. Like always, if you learned something, please like this episode and subscribe to our channel. If you're into social media, follow us on Facebook, Insta, and LinkedIn for interactive content and language tips. Comment below using the FANBOYS. Have a great week. See you next time on BSE.